Hello everyone, welcome to another video from YorTech today. So today I have a hair dryer from a company called Agaro HD 1150 Turbo Pro hair dryer. So this is supposed to be a professional hair dryer and it has a power of 2200 watts. So that is what really interested me. For the price that this is available, this was the only product which had so much of power, and it says it has an AC motor for professional use, so it's supposed to be lasting longer. So it comes with these two accessories, the diffuser, I don't know what this is used for, and the concentrator. I basically got this to apply skins on my devices, so to heat that area. But I guess it can be used as a hair dryer also, and I needed a powerful one. So this is what the box is, 2100, but price is much lesser. I will leave a link in the description where you can get this. So this is what it looks like, and man, it is heavy. Like, you feel the weight right here. It is a heavy one, and really, you know, if you use those Phillips and all that, and after that if you go for this, you will really feel the weight, and I feel it is uncomfortable for me also to hold. So that is one huge negative about this product, but the looks are quite okay. The plastic feels nice, strong, and the best thing is it comes with 3 heat settings and 3 fan settings, and it has a cool shot button. So once it's running and you press this button, only cool air will come out of this. These are the 2 accessories, the concentrator and this other one which passes air through these holes. So let's check how many watts does it actually take. So let's put it to 1. Heat setting also 1. It's just taking 79 watts, as you can see over there, and the temperature also is quite less. So I'll go to the heat setting 2, and you can also have a look at the temperature. So 528 watts and 40 degrees Celsius. Heat setting 3, 1200, 1300. Heat is 77, 78, 80. Oh, it's really getting heated. That'll burn your hair. Let's go to the next fan speed. So it has off, 1 and 2. So 3 fan speeds. I mean 2 fan speeds and 3 heat settings. Don't get confused. So at the highest fan speed, it's giving 75 degrees. And it's consuming 1759 watts. And once you press the cool shot button over here, it has come down to 120 degrees. Really, the motor is very strong. Let me show you. Like, the motor itself is taking 120 watts. So you guys must be wondering, like, you know, why is it only 1750 watts? It also depends on the voltage coming in. So if I switch it on, you will see the drop in voltage. This thing is actually pulling so much of power that it's causing flicker in the house electricity and my bulbs, because the AC is also running in the other room. So keep in mind, it is powerful. It is 1700 watts. The previous hair dryer which I tried which I use for my normal use, and it's much lighter, is a Panasonic one. This is a heavy duty one which I thought will be good for applying skins on my products. So guys, if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description. The price is pretty good for what you get, and only con is it's heavy. Rest everything looks good. You can see the insides. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.